How are we all? In today's video, we're going to continue with the security portion, but this time looking at the iPhone. So if you're an iPhone user, I recommend you check out this video as I'm going to show you how to disable access to the control center even when your iPhone is on the lock screen. Now you might be wondering why you should be doing this. Well, if a thief was to take your iPhone, generally the first thing they do would be to swipe down to gain access to your control center, switch your phone into airplane mode, thus turning off the cellular, the wireless, and the Bluetooth, which now leaves you unable to use the Find My iPhone feature to locate your iPhone. Now, as always, these videos aren't going to be the highest of quality. They might be pathetic looking, but I will get you there. Okay, so if the thief has taken your iPhone, generally, the first thing they're going to do is switch it to airplane mode so it can switch off your cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Now, despite the iPhone being locked, they can still do this by accessing the control center. To access the control center, even when the phone is locked, all they need to do is swipe down and the control center will appear. The next move will be turning on airplane mode, which, as you can see, switches off your cellular, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. This now means that if you try using the Find My iPhone feature, you won't be able to locate your iPhone as it won't be able to broadcast its location, thus allowing the thief to jailbreak the phone and do whatever they wish. For us to switch this off so that you can't access the control center when the iPhone is locked, what I want you to do is go into Settings, scroll down till you get to Face ID and Passcode, enter your password as you do, scroll down again until you find Control Center, and then we will switch off Control Center. So this way, if you were to lock your iPhone, you are now unable to access the control center with the phone locked. This is a nice way to help protect your phone from a thief. I mean, there's no stopping them taking it. However, at least this way, it remains online, connected to either cellular or Wi-Fi, and you will be able to use your Find My iPhone feature. I highly recommend you check out the other videos within my channel. I have many how-to guides, security tips and tricks, and they are highly beneficial for you and any other basic users. Thank you for watching.